Glamkins, welcome back to my channel guys, and I hope you all are doing good and you are definitely celebrating Valentine's Day this year. I am not, probably because my husband is out there on his work trip, but we are definitely celebrating our 5th wedding anniversary on 22nd of this month. If you are celebrating Valentine's Day, I hope this video and makeup will help you out in getting some inspiration. I will show you that how I got this smoky glittery glam. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into the video and let me show you that how I got this glam. Okay, so we're gonna do our eyes first. First, I'm taking Scotch tape and applying it onto the outer corners of my eyes. I'm taking my SEPHORA eyeshadow crayon. This is in the shade Secret Boudoir and applying it on whole of my eyelid. As you can see it here, I'm gonna work very quickly with this product as it dries down very quickly. I'm taking the tempera shade from ABH's Modern Renaissance palette and I'm gonna apply it on whole of my eyelids. As you can see it here. Once I'm happy with it, I'm gonna move forward with the same palette. I'm taking the mixture of raw sienna and burnt orange from the same palette and giving a lot of warmth to my eyes because we're gonna do burgundy smoky eyes. That is why I took a mixture of both of those shades and applying it onto the crease. Now I'm taking the shade Venetian Red from the same palette and with a little defined and tapered brush, I'm gonna work that color onto my crease. But I'm applying it on the socket of my crease, as you can see, and now I'm taking the shade Love Letter. See the pigmentation of this eyeshadow, you guys. I was just shook. It has a lot of fallout, I'm not gonna lie, but the pigmentation was to die for. I didn't have to get into my eyeshadow palette more than twice, I would say. And now I'm blending all the shades together. As you can see, once it is done, I'm taking the shade Red Ochre and applying it again onto the crease and giving little bit of depth to my eyes. As you can see it here, I can't explain that what I'm doing, but you can see and you can know that what I'm trying to do, just creating deep smoky eyes. Again with a little smaller fluffy brush, I'm applying a red ochre shade onto the outer corner, mainly onto the outer corner this time, and with a fluffy brush we're gonna blend everything in together so there are no harsh lines. Again we are taking the mixture of raw sienna and burnt orange, which we took the first onto the crease. Now I'm gonna take a little to above my crease just to give that smoked out look. Yeah, so I'm building the color up, Love Letter, which has gone like rubbed off because of all of that blending. I'm gonna show you how I did my wings. I used the tapes just because I didn't want it to take the risk that what if my wings wouldn't look perfect. That is why I used the tapes. I could have done without tapes, but no, I didn't want it to take the risk. That is why. Now I'm taking moisture lotion which is from Pack Cosmetics and applying it onto my face. I'm gonna use this as my primer because I had moisturizer applied onto my face earlier in the day, and I'm taking my BECCA under eye brightening corrector. This is in the shade medium to deep. All the products that I'm using will be mentioned in my description box, guys. Kindly check the description box. And I'm also gonna apply it around my mouth as I do all the time, also a little bit onto my forehead, and I am currently obsessed with this under eye cream. Now for my foundation, I'm taking L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Stay Fresh foundation. Now this has been so much raved in the international market these days. A lot of beauty bloggers and YouTubers are talking about this foundation. Currently I've heard Desi Perkins, Kathleen Lights raving about this foundation, but I have been using from 2.5 years and I'm already obsessed with it. So I thought of getting it out and using it in this video. Let me know your thoughts if you have used this foundation. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows before I do my rest of my face makeup. I'm going to insert few clips of doing my eyebrows here because I generally do it off camera. To set them, to set my eyebrows in place, I'm using, I don't know why I can't speak today, I use ABH's Clear Brow Gel. I'm curling my eyelashes, and for my mascara, again my holy grail, my current favorite is Big Shot Volume Mascara from Maybelline. For my lashes, I use Pack Cosmetics Foaming Lashes. This is in the style M71. For my concealer, I went with Anti-Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline, and I am in the shade Nude, I think. And yes, I'm going to apply under my eyes, a little bit onto my forehead, and little bit onto my chin, and blending everything out with my beauty blender. And I'm going to use liquid illuminator here. Yeah. And this is my favorite liquid illuminator. This is glow to the gods, like that kind of illuminator it is. I love it. And now to set my under eyes, I'm using first NYX HD finishing powder. This is translucent one. I do have banana one as well with me. And now I'm gonna bake with my Fit Me Loose powder. This is in the shade 25 medium, and I'm gonna bake for, I think, for 5 minutes max, because I already have set my under eyes, but just because I trust baking so much, I'm gonna do baking. I also apply a little bit of powder under where my contour would be, and now dusting off that excess powder after all of those 5 minutes of waiting. And I am currently obsessed with this loose setting powder by Maybelline. For my bronzer slash contour, I'm taking my Benefits Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna bronze my forehead, my cheeks, and also around my jaws. And also I'm gonna use the same bronzer for my nose contouring, and I'm currently obsessed this shade for my nose contouring, guys. It's so natural. I haven't tried it before, but I am currently obsessed with it. For giving more warmth to my face, I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix. This is in the shade NC50. And yes, I'm gonna apply my bronzer wherever I have applied contour, except my nose. I'm also gonna drag a little bit onto my neck. For my blush, I went with these two shades from SIVANNA Ultra Blush Palette. It was literally like all of the shades were too bright for my skin tone, but I love the mixture of both of these shades. And yes, just to tone it down, I dab my beauty blender over it. Now to set my liquid illuminator in place, I'm gonna use my SEPHORA, I think it's called shimmering powder or something. I'm gonna leave all the name of the products in the description bar, guys. And yes, I'm gonna highlight furthermore. Yeah, also use the same for my inner corners as well as for my brow bone, the same highlighter. Okay, we're gonna do that later. Sorry, my bad. Now we're gonna finish off our eyes first. I took the mixture of raw sienna and burnt orange, and then I'm taking Venetian red, and with a little fluffy brush I'm applying it onto my, okay, it fell off. It was really bad, but then it was easy to get those shade out of my face. It was easy. It wasn't like leaving some patches. Yes, I also added a little bit of love letter to it, and I love that how my eyes looked. For my kajal, I went with Plum Nature Studio Kajal in black, and again I'm gonna use the same mascara for my lower lashes. Okay, so we're gonna use glitters for my inner corners, and I'm taking this Swiss Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadow, and I will be reviewing this product onto my channel. Stay tuned for it. I'm gonna apply heck lot of this glitter onto my inner corners, and also dragging it little further away from my inner corner. As you can see, I can't explain, but you can see it yourself that what I'm trying to say, right? And it looks so pretty. This is my favorite thing to do. Even if I don't do any eyeshadows, I just apply glitter to my inner corners. That is my favorite thing to do. I use the same highlighter for my brow bone. And now to set all of my makeup in place, I'm gonna apply heck lot of makeup fixer from PAC. For my lipstick, I first went with MAC Cosmetics Meher, but then I didn't like the shade, so I wiped it off. Then I took my Soft Spoken from NYX Liquid Suede, and I freaking love this shade so much. But then it wasn't looking so good like with this makeup look, so to tone it down, I went with Shambol liquid lipstick in the shade 481. So this is it. I really hope that you got some inspiration from this video. You can definitely use different shades of colors onto your eyes according to your outfit. You can also change the color of glitter. You can also change lip color according to your preference and your outfit and all, and according to your likings. I used all the products which I'm currently loving to show you you that how I would actually do my makeup. You can skip on some steps because I went little extra with my glam. Let me know if you want me to do some simple glam. I would also do that, but glitter can definitely turn any makeup look from 0 to 100 for sure. Do give this video a big thumbs up guys if you have enjoyed it, and happy Valentine's Day to all of you. And also do shower me some love by subscribing to my channel and following me on Instagram. If you do so, I'll be really happy, and I will see you guys very soon in the next